We're tracking a very concerning number here in town relative to COVID-19. The percentage of positive COVID-19 tests here in town over the past 30 days have gone from 0.2 in July to now, 1 month later, 2.57. We have 28 active cases of COVID-19. We have seen Delta variant in the past in some of our cases, but we've also had some breakthrough cases where vaccinated individuals, of those 28 cases, 11 happen to be actually breakthrough. We have a very low vaccination rate here in town. Currently, we're at 58%. If we don't want to have a discussion about masks, get vaccinated. But if you wanted to get a vaccination and we can get that for you, we will. Because our vaccination numbers are low, we need to talk about masks. Here in the Commonwealth, as a municipality, we have a way to track and look at our COVID-19 cases through the Board of Health and our health agent and health director. So with that, we can look at North Attleboro's numbers and make decisions about what we need to do and the right decision to take. We are looking at a mask mandate in Town Hall. And that mask mandate, is if you're potentially unvaccinated, you may have to wear a mask the whole time you're here. If we can increase the numbers here in North Attleboro, 10, 15%, get into the 70s at percentage, we will be far better. And we will have a different discussion, right, than we would be having today at 58% right before schools get ready to start.
So how do you check for who is unvaccinated?
I do not believe, in my discussions with the town attorneys, that we could mandate vaccinations. But we could mandate masks to be worn, which I clearly think is in your authorities as well as, and then if you were vaccinated, you would not be subject to that policy. So you would have to provide some type of proof to your supervisor and then to the HR department.
I think that if we're going to do a mask mandate, that either you're going to check vaccinations of people, all people to have some type of history, or you're going to have to make people wear a mask. I watched the school committee meeting last Monday, and I was kind of taken aback by some of the things that were said by some of the residents of this town, saying basically that masks carry carcinogenics.
Come Thursday, if we're 2.57 and we get the new rate on Thursday, we might want to look. If we go over 5%, I think my recommendation changes. If we don't want to have that debate, get vaccinated. If you're in North Attleboro and you haven't got a vaccinated, call Anne-Marie Fleming, 508-699-0100. Set up an appointment to get a vaccination. Look, there are some people that are going to be upset with this, right? One, because I said get vaccinated 15 times or thereabouts. And there are going to be people that are going to be concerned that we're going to put a mask mandate into effect. And yeah, that's probably if we trend in this current direction, I believe we're headed for a mask mandate.